I need to create a new layer. This will be the layer for the roof. Selecting a different color. Making it current. And selecting OK. I will turn the wall layer off. I will also take the image of this front elevation and freeze that layer, just so that I can work specifically with this second floor and create a rectangle to represent the roof. With that in place, I will now turn the wall layer back on. Zooming to this location, I'm going to select Move, typing L for last, and that is the last object that I drew. And I could pick this point and use point filters, or I can select from this endpoint and move it to that endpoint. But to reinforce point filters, I will select here. I will use Shift right click, select point filters, the Z of this point, needing XY, using the @ symbol, and I have moved that rectangle up to this location. What I need to do now is extrude for the soffit here, or rather for the fascia, and the height is from this point to that point. So I'm going to zoom back out, selecting extrude, select this point, and extrude the height from this endpoint to this endpoint. No taper angle. I will enter, zoom back, and I have that portion of the fascia. And I do see that it is interfering here. I will deal with that later. What I'd like to do now is continue building to the top of the roof, and I could create another rectangle and extrude it, but I'd like to show you the copy faces command. I'm going to select it, and I'd like to copy this face. As you can see, it is highlighted. I'm going to pick this point as the base point, turning ortho on. I'm going to copy it out here, say 50 feet, and I have simply copied the face. If I list this entity, it indicates that it is a region. A region, as you can see, is very much like a face, and I can extrude this, and the height that I need to extrude it would be from this point to this point, and indicates a height of 9 feet 3.5. But I'm going to go a little bit more than that. I'm going to select extrude, giving it a height of 10 feet. And then moving it back to its location. I can go ahead and use the existing O-snaps, place it here, and now it will simply be a matter of slicing.